Hello everyone, greetings and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I'm Arishmita Chatterjee and today in this video, I'm going to tell you 5 easy steps to problem solving. Well, we all have problems in our life and we need to do something or the other to solve them. So, problem solving often becomes quite challenging for us. So if you follow these 5 steps guidelines, then solving a problem will just be a piece of cake for you. To start with, you need to have your mindset ready. How will you keep your mindset ready? You have to stay curious to know something. Secondly, you should be ready to accept any sort of challenges that come in your way, and you also need to accept feedback as it comes. So the problem is we often do not want problems to come our way. And when problems do come, as it is not avoidable at all, we do not know how to handle that. So maybe if you set your mindset in a way that yes, problem is the most common thing, it is going to happen with me also, and I will stay curious and fight my way through it, then it will be really easy with such kind of mindset to go ahead with your problems. Secondly, it is really important for you to have good analytical skills. Remember, you are here to solve a problem. The problem has already occurred. So it is important for you to maintain your calm and to solve it in an analytical way. Break down the problems into multiple parts. Try to find out the root cause of it. We call it root cause analysis. Then you can definitely have a data-driven method or data-driven approach to work towards it. That is, find out the reason behind it and how such kind of problems have been solved before. You take help from such data and implement that in your present problem. You can use few techniques also for this, like brainstorming with your colleagues, or if it is a household matter, then brainstorming with your partner over there can definitely help you with it. Or you can do a SWOT analysis where we talk about our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats, and trust me, SWOT analysis can help you solve multiple problems just like a pro. Next we have the point where you have to think from different perspective. So one thing that we often go wrong with is we stick to the perspective that we have. We do not consider the perspectives of the others. In the previous point I have spoken about brainstorming, so I have already mentioned why it is absolutely important for you to take help from people around. Involve them also in the decision making process and see how different perspectives might lead you to get a better idea of something. And lastly, apply whatever you have thought of, and do not just think of winning or do not just think of getting a wonderful result out of it, but also have the capacity to learn if you have made a mistake. So when you have this learning attitude, then applying also is going to be fun and you will always stay positive around it. Implement these 5 methods, 5 steps for your problem solving and see the difference that it creates. I come with more such videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and I'm very sure you wait for them. Till my next video, keep on learning, stay well, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.